Okay guys, and welcome back to another video. I've once again been worshipping at the altar of Klarna, and Swedish gods have answered my prayers, or at least my credit score has, so I can get myself a massive package. And yeah, so in this box is something that I wanted to get for the car. It's one of the things that bothers me the most about the aesthetic. Yes, again, I'm doing another cosmetic mod to my FN2. Yeah, this was provided by Cox Motorsports. When I say provided, I mean I paid for it. When I say I paid for it, I mean I'm paying for it in instalments. So yeah, and it is, no surprise, the GP rear diffuser bumper. It's not really a diffuser, is it? It's the bumper. But yeah, I'll show you why I'm replacing this, and I'll take you through process of installing it if you want to watch it. I thought I'd quickly show you why I'm actually replacing the rear bumper for the GP kit, and it's not just because it looks pretty, although that is one of the main reasons. One of the reasons is this damage here. The actual main reason for me replacing it, and you guys will know if you've got one of these on your car, is this shit right here. So every time you go out when it's wet, or if you just after you clean your car, this fucking dirt gets in here. But anyway, yeah. Sorry, yeah, but the main reason is actually all of this dirt in here. Every time I drive the car, I know it looks filthy at the moment because I went out in the rain yesterday, but yeah, it always looks like this, and it's just shit. So, yeah, I don't suppose this video will be any good to anybody that's actually bought a new GP kit, because the GP kit comes with instructions, so I think it's going to be pretty straightforward to fit. So in the pack, in the box, you get two of these clips. There's one either side, and they're under here. It says remove and discard. Obviously, if you have bought second-hand, you might not have new clips unless you bought them especially for this job. You'll know that these are a bastard for snapping. They all snap. I bought a pack of spares as well, but yeah, it's under there, so I'll just take that out. Yeah, Honda know when you're taking these out they're going to snap. That's why they give you new ones. Right, she out. I'm going to keep that as a spare because that's if it didn't snap, but it's full of grit, and that's why they're difficult to get out. Alright, next we're just got to pull the arch out. Well, it'd probably go without saying that I couldn't get access to this screw here without taking my wheels off, so I've had to jack up the car. Alright, take this screw out now. Both sides, obviously. Okay then, next job is to just pull the arch off like I was trying to do earlier. Clip number one. Place your bets, how many are going to break? That one didn't break. Oh. Oh, okay. We'll see how it is. So in the instructions it says put a shop towel, or just in my case a microfiber, in here, just to keep it off the side. And then that gives you access to that screw there, which is the next one I think we need to take out. Give it a stubby. Whip that out. Yeah, in case you're wondering where that other broken clip just came from, it came out of here. Alright, next guys, underneath the bumper there's a series of clips to remove. Along the bottom, under here, yeah, you've got to remove these clips. There's probably loads of videos on how to remove a rear bumper, but yeah, that one, so on and so forth, take them all out. Something I like to do, guys, when I'm working as well, you might have noticed, is just have a little couple of parts boxes. Stops you losing bits. Nothing worse than trying to find like clips and screws that just disappeared. I'll hazard a guess, you probably don't have to take the whole bumper off, to be honest. Yeah, the instructions say you do, so we'll just follow that. Alright guys, you've just got to get your hand under here and give it a bit of a pull. You've got to pull it a bit harder than you think. That's what she said. And yeah, So yeah, give it a bit of a tug. Just comes off. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. Just bring these pillars back a bit. Bumpers off, starts to look a bit crusty in there. Alright, next. Alright, cool. So that's the bumper off. We've got to transfer the exhaust triangles and the reflectors, so that's going to be the next job. Alright, now we've taken off the reflectors and the exhaust trim. We've got a clip there to take out, to the other side, and there's 10 tabs all the way around, a bit like the tabs that hold it on the side. So yeah, I find the best way to get these clips out is to get like a little screwdriver underneath to begin with, and then rather than lever, which you can do, which obviously just works, once it's got a big enough gap, I tend to put in a wider screwdriver and twist, and then just work it out with a trim tool. That's how I normally get them out. Okay, all we've got to do now is just transfer all the bits onto the new GP kit. Well then guys, that's the end of that video. GP kit looks mint, well happy with that. Super easy to fit, is useful to have someone there to help you, just to take the bumper off, but actually putting it back together is pretty easy. Don't forget, like I did, there's a screw and a little push panel clip that goes behind the arch, so I had to take the arch off again. More videos to come. Don't know what on yet the video. If you did, thanks for any people that have recently started watching my videos. Appreciate it's not like amazing quality or anything, but I'm trying just to put out content where I can. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.